You guys, I bet you haven't seen this before. It is definitely a great find. Hi everyone, it's Christine, your artsy momsy, and I'm glad that you're here today. I'm sorry I haven't been posting anything for a while, but this is my MCM unboxing. Very excited to unbox this. Just arrived yesterday and I'm just very excited because I feel like I haven't unboxed anything for the longest time. I've been very quiet, and yeah, let's get started. So this is my first purchase from MCM, and when I saw it, it like ticked all the boxes of what I was looking for. And this is actually for myself my only Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping I did. So I went for, you know, something big, I guess, and avoid buying every little deals that I see online. So here it is from MCM. It has this thank you card or envelope, very thoughtful. And we have a card here. Oh my gosh, it's handwritten. OMG, that is so thoughtful. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that. I think that's super sweet. Okay, so here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's huge. Oh my gosh, very excited. Let's see this. Let's see it. Let's see it, you guys. Yep, it's a tote bag that's also a backpack. So I first saw this at Neiman Marcus website, and it was on sale. When I was ready to pull the trigger, it was not there anymore. And so I checked MCM website, and I am so glad that they have it there. So I'm specifically looking for tote bag, and the backpack is a bonus. But then I realized, like a few months ago, when we were traveling, when we went to Hawaii, I was actually looking for a backpack that's cool and different, and I thought this one is cool and different. I haven't seen anyone who has it, and so that kind of motivate me more to buy it, because I like things that no one has. But now that you see it and maybe you like it, I'm happy to report that this is still available on the MCM website, both the US and Canada. And let's look around it. So this is like a leather sack bag with top handle, which makes it a tote bag. You can see, love the blue color. Oh my gosh, love it. In the description, it's leather, and it smells like leather. I will definitely double check the description. So there you go, that's the branding right there up close, and this is what I love. The reason I want a backpack is because I am very shy with holding my camera when vlogging, and so I never have any successful vlogging. But I bought a GoPro accessory that can be attached on the backpack. Let me get it. So I got this, and it is perfect for vlogging hands-free, because I just need to attach it right here. So I have to learn how to do it, but you see what I mean right there. And with that, I just walk around and it's capturing video for me. And this is perfect because it's nylon. It will not be damaged by the GoPro clip. And as you can see, it has a zipper here, perfect for grabbing the stuff inside. It's not a separate pocket, but it's just, easy access to stuff that you need to get inside there. And inside we have 2 slip pockets, and it has the MCM, looks like authenticity card, but they did not fill it out. That's weird. So there you have it. Probably have to keep that. And there is a zipper pocket here. So inside it's lined with very thick, nice canvas material. And to close this bag, like a rucksack, just need to do this string, drawstring, and off you go. Backpack. And you know what's great about this is you don't really have to wear it as a backpack. You could just wear it one shoulder and it's still great. The backpack straps are removable, so you could, there's this clip here, and for here, right here, you could just snap it out right here. It's brand new, so it's tight, but yes, you could detach both backpack strap. Like I've said, you could also carry it like this, perfect for travel, and it will fit my laptop. Let's try. Okay. So another form of closure I just noticed here is this, so you could just snap it here. There you go. So you know your bag is not wide open, and just keep the rectangular shape. Love it. It has some extra leather snap here, probably for your accessories, like if you want to hang your keys, keychain, and another one right here. But that's very simple but lovely. And let's try if my laptop fits. I think it will. This is very spacious and roomy. Here's my 13-inch MacBook Air. Oh yeah, fits perfectly. No problem. Can even fit this way. So yep. Oh my gosh, love it. You could carry it like this if you know, if you're putting something light. You could just carry it with your hands, with your arm. And if you need to carry it as a backpack, that works as well. And I could see that this will get a lot of use, especially this winter. I always bring beanie, gloves, and scarf. And my kids wants to bring water bottle but doesn't want to bring or doesn't want to carry it with them, so I could definitely fit all of those things right here. So there you have it. Just want to show you this great find very quickly because it's still available both on MCM Canada and US website, and I believe it's available in green and black for the sale version, and other colors are currently not on sale. But I noticed in the US website the green one has extra discount, so I think I got this for like $440, $450, and the green has extra discount, so it's like a little less than 400 right now, so it's like in the high 300s. I think it's very worth it for the size, and again, it's a tote bag that not very popular, so if you like that, you know, you want to be different, this is definitely a great choice for you. So there you have it, my very first MCM tote bag slash backpack, and I'm very happy with it. A lot of sale items on the MCM website are still available, so check them out. This is not sponsored. I just like to share some great deals. I probably grab myself a small card case But yeah, overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. Let me know what you think on the comment below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.